Hey y'all, I am at 2303 145th and Bell Farms. I just finished up my open house and I wanted to show y'all around before I left. So let me flip this around and show you around. So this Sorry, struggling a little bit with the camera. Cute little porch area. And let me tell you guys, you will not believe this backyard. So it's a 4-3, but there is also a dedicated office space. This front bedroom, and then that's a closet on that side. Nice little hall closet, bathroom, and bedroom. Try and keep it on this side. So this is a little home office area. Nice window to look through while you're working. Then it opens up, dining, kitchen, large kitchen, nice open concept. And then another isolated bathroom and bedroom set. So that's great if you are having guests over and kind of want them to have their own little private area. Living room. Nice granite counters, plenty of cabinet space. And then the pantry, again, tons of space. Laundry, and through there's a 2-car garage. And then a nice big walk-through closet. So the closet does go from the master bathroom through to the laundry room. Tons of space in here. And you have this really nice in-suite. So walk-in, stand-up shower, 1 closet. So you have the big walk-in closet, and then you have this little bit smaller walk-in closet. And then his and hers separate sinks with storage underneath. Separate toilet space, which is always nice. And then you have your master bedroom. And these have really great high ceilings. And then looking back into the living room. So total open concept, really beautifully done. But let me show you this yard. They have put a lot of love into this. Nice little sitting area, covered pergola, and then that is a stock tank pool, tanning deck, turf, and then a little putting area, more seating, and then a dog run and some more storage. Back up a little bit. It really is a beautiful home. There is tons of space. And if you want to come see it in person, send me a message or comment down below and we will get a time set up for you to come look at it. Right now it is listed at $372,900 and it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, office space, open concept, large kitchen, granite counters, really great backyard oasis. If you want a place that you can entertain either inside or outside, this home could be the perfect fit for you. So if you want to come see it, let me know.